All right, who is here on Felipe Lopez? All right, if he'll come down, Mr. Lopez. All right, so before we go on the record with the bond issue. Wait a minute. Does he have a motion to revoke in a new case?
No, there's not a new case, Your Honor. This is a motion to revoke based on some positive UAs and failure to submit to UAs and possession of a weapon.
So I don't have a motion to revoke before me.
I have a copy.
Okay. Oh, is this the one where
We're not ready to proceed with that though, Judge.
Okay.
Except for today to set bond. I don't have a court summary. It's not for motion to revoke. So
Oh.
I have all my stuff ready.
Okay. Here you go. Oh, I'm sorry. Is he on I need to see.
He's on deferred.
Deferred, okay. All right, thank you. All right, just a moment. On this one, there should be more attached to this because he has a motion to revoke. And I just have that. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 1619 State versus Felipe Lopez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harrison.
Defense?
This is Pauline Portillo here on behalf of Christopher Castro for Mr. Felipe Antonio Lopez.
And are you Mr. Lopez? Do you have any objection to this attorney standing in? All right, we're here on a motion to set bond. He's entitled to a bond because this is a deferred adjudication. Have you all reached an agreement on a bond setting or no?
Judge, the original bond in this case is 50,000. I understand. We would understand if the court were to double the bond. So 100,000 is what the prosecutor was okay with. I would ask for any consideration for Mr. Lopez just because I think last time he was here, he's a student and may still be a student and just have limited funds. So I just asking for the court's consideration on that.
Mhm. Okay.
And the amount of maybe $75,000.
All right, and let me see the motion to revoke.
Of course.
All right. Let's go out the break.
I would, of course, if the court is willing to allow us to resolve it without a
If it's possible for probation to proceed, then. Felipe Lopez. All right, on this one, are you all ready to proceed on the motion to revoke or no? All right, court is calling 2024 CR 1619 State versus Felipe Anthony Lopez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
This is Pauline Portillo for Mr. Felipe Antonio Lopez.
I have a file stamp. Oh, no, not that was that. Okay. And are you Felipe Lopez? Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Felipe Antonio Lopez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 1619 for the offense of terroristic threat against, well, it was reduced to terroristic threat as a Class A misdemeanor. Is that you? All right, state.
On or about the 17th day, March 2025, in Berry County, Texas, the defendant Felipe Antonio Lopez did then and there failed to consent to search of his person, residence, vehicle, violation of condition number 6.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. State waives the remaining violation element.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 6, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 6? Court is going to find violation of condition number 6 true. Is that the agreement?
Judge, to some extent, however, I'm going to ask the court to consider to allow him to wait for the TAP evaluation while he's at home, even if they have to consider GPS requirements. He does work, he does help provide for his family. And at this point, it's going to be a hardship on him and his family for him to wait in custody for that TAP evaluation. Again, this is a case that was reduced to a misdemeanor. He has little,
Why isn't he letting people search his vehicle?
well, Judge, I think he can speak to that.
You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record. All right, so when you sign conditions with probation, sometimes people just gloss over what probation is saying to them. But one of the things that people tend to gloss over is that when you're on probation, you're supposed to support your dependents. That means you have to take care of your children financially. If you don't, they can file a motion to revoke. One of the other things when you're on probation, you're waiving your rights to not allow them to search your home, your vehicle. So were you not aware of that?
I was aware that, yeah,
So why are you not letting them search?
my room was dirty and it was unpresentable at the time.
No, that's no excuse. I guarantee you, if they would have saw your room was filthy, they probably would have said, we don't want to search this. It's too dirty for us. But filth is not an excuse for not letting them do their job. I don't know if something else is going on or not, but this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to give you a choice. I can deny the motion. You're going to do your TAP evaluation in custody, or either I can revoke you and I'll sentence you to 180 days at the Bexar County Jail. What do you choose? All right, the court is going to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include TAP evaluation in custody, follow TAP recommendations. All right, we can go off the record. And this dirty room you have, is this at your place or someone else's? All right, you need to clean it. All right, good luck to you. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.